First of all, let's put them in triad order, and the easiest way to do that is to put the letter names in basic triad format, which means every other letter name, right? So what do we have here? We have E, A, and C. A, C, and E, right? Now we know the root is in the middle, therefore this is in second inversion. So we're going to write A 6, 4. But what about the quality? Let's count the distance from A to C because we know A is the root. Okay, here's our handy dandy paper keyboard. Let's count the half steps. Ready? 1, 2, 3. So we know it's 3. Now we need to figure out the distance from C to E. So let's start on C. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that is the formula for a minor triad. So that makes A minor 6, 4. So we're going to write A little m 6, 4, and that indicates the A minor chord in second inversion. Now let's take a look at this one. First of all, we need to put it in snowman form or basic triad form. So our letter names are D, F, B flat. So B flat, D, F. That will stack it in snowman form or basic triad form, right? The root is on the top. That means we are in first inversion. So we are going to write B flat and then a little 6, but we need to determine the quality. So first of all, we know the root is B flat, so let's find the distance between B flat and D. Ready? One, 2, 3, 4. So we have 4. Now we need to figure out the distance between D and F. 1, 2, 3, and 3. So that tells us that we have a major chord. So we can leave this alone as it is. B flat in first inversion. Okay, let's take a look at this one. G, C, and E. Let's write those so they are in triad order. C, E, G. Where is the root? We know the root is C. C is in the middle. Therefore, we know this is a C chord in second inversion. So that's a 6, 4. Now what about the quality of the chord? Let's take a look. The root is here, so we need to find the distance between C and E. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4. Now we need to find out the distance between E and G, the third and the fifth. 1, 2, 3. Okay, 4 plus 3 is the formula for a major triad. So this is a major chord, so we need to do nothing else to this. We have a C in second inversion. Let's take a look at this one. We have C sharp, F sharp, and A. Let's put that in order. That would be F sharp, A, C sharp. Okay, now that we know the triad order, we're going to find the root. The root is this one, right? So we need the distance between the root and the third. 1, 2, 3. Okay, the distance between the third, and the fifth. A and C sharp. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 plus 4. That is our formula for a minor chord. So it's an F sharp minor, and the root is in the middle, so therefore this is in second inversion as well. So we have F sharp minor 6/4. Let's do another one. Here we have E flat, G, and C. Let's put that in triad order. So skipping every other letter, but we know the E is flat, so we're going to write that in there. Now we need to find the distance between the root and, well, first of all, we're going to write C. We don't know the quality of the chord yet. We're about to figure that out, but we can tell what the inversion is. The root is on top, so we know it's in first inversion. It'll be C something 6. It might just be plain 6, but let's find out. C to E flat, let's find that distance on our paper keyboard. 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's find the distance between E flat and G, between our third and our fifth. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. 3 plus 4 is the formula for a minor triad. So we have a C minor in first inversion, C minor in first inversion, and that's indicated by a little 6. Here we have F sharp, B, and D sharp. Let's put those in order. B, skip a letter. D sharp, skip a letter. F sharp. That would be in triad order. Okay? Now, where's our root? Our root is B. B is in the middle. If the root is in the middle, we know it's second inversion. So this is going to be a B something 6/4, because 6/4 is second inversion. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. Now the distance between D sharp and F sharp. 1, 2, 3. 4 plus 3, that's the formula for a major triad. So we don't have to write anything else. B 6/4 means B in second inversion. Okay, let's move to the bass clef. Let's identify this chord. Okay, we have B flat, D, and G. So let's write those in snowman order or basic triad. G, B flat, D. Let's find the distance between our root and our third. Our root and our third. 1, 2, 3. Okay, between B flat and D, our third and our fifth. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the formula for a minor triad. So we're going to write G minor. But which inversion is this? Where's the root? Root's on top. That's first inversion. C, F, and A. Let's write this in triad order. Remember, this is bass clef. C, F, and A. Okay. The distance between the root and the third. 1, 2, 3, 4. The distance between the third and the fifth. 1, 2, 3. 4 plus 3, that's the formula for a major triad. So we know the root is F, so it's an F major. Now, what kind of inversion do we have? The root is in the middle. That's second inversion. So it's an F 6/4. Put them in triad order. G, skip a letter, B, skip a letter, D. So we know that's triad order. Now, the distance between G and B. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 half steps. The distance between the third and the fifth. 1, 2, 3. 4 plus 3. Once again, this is the formula for a major triad. We know G is the root, so we're going to write G, and it's major, so we don't have to worry about anything with the quality because major is just plain. Now, we need to figure out the inversion. Where is the root? The root's in the middle. If the root's in the middle, it is in second inversion. Okay, now let's take a look at this one. E flat, C. Nope, this is not the treble clef. This is the bass clef. Always look at the clef. G flat, C, E flat. C, skip a letter, E flat, skip a letter, G flat. Okay, the distance between C and E flat. 1, 2, 3. The distance between E flat and G flat. 1, 2, 3. 3 plus 3 is the formula for a diminished triad, and we know C is the root, so we're going to write C diminished. Now we need to figure out what inversion it is. The root is in the middle, so it's a C diminished and second inversion. Okay, now here we go. We have C sharp, E sharp, and A. C sharp and E sharp. Okay, let's figure out the quality of this chord. First of all, the distance between the root and the third. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Now the distance between the third and the fifth. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. 4 plus 4 is the formula for an augmented triad. So we're going to write A plus. A augmented. And then we're going to figure out the inversion. Where is the root? The root is on top. If the root is on top, we know it's in first inversion.